Hello students, welcome back to another video. This is your Twitter here, tutor. Yes, sorry. Today we're going to learn some more formula questions for which my pen. Sorry. Formula questions. Formula. You're from the last previous video. Okay. So today we're going to do some exercise. I will teach you step by step how to do it. So if you go to your textbook page 38, 38 we see question number 2 over here. Question number 2, which is B. We do B. The questions, okay, B, question 2B. It says 2x squared plus 2x, wait, hold up, minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so if you still remember the formula, it's negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac 2 over 2a. Okay, now let's do this step by step. Alright, so what's the b? It is 2. The a is 2. The c is negative 1. So you just label a, b, and c. If you're already familiar with this enough, don't worry, you don't need to do this stuff anymore if you're already familiar with it. So we just get straight to the point. Negative 2 plus minus square root of 2 squared minus 4 AC to negative 1. The negative 1 must be included because remember, C you take the whole thing. Okay, good. Okay, so next to a 2 times 2. Okay, so you get 1 mark for this. Okay, students, just a thing. The marker will always ask you to do this. You must substitute everything, even though you put on your calculator. Let's say you count, and you get the answer here. Cannot. You don't get the mark. You don't get the mark here. They don't give you the 1 mark. You must put the you must substitute all the number inside the x value. Then, I mean not the x value, the ABC down just now. You must put it inside because they will not give you the mark if you don't put it. So here we get 1 mark because we put it. Next step, we just put on calculator. We just count lah. We just kira, and so I get my answer is x equals to 0. X equals to 0.3666660. Remember, must be 4 decimal places. And there's a second answer, which is x equals to negative 1.3660. You can put into negative 1.366, but for me I put the 0 because like the same, consistent. So and then over here you get the other mark, which is, and then total become 2 marks. Correct. This is how they mark in the exam, students. Okay, so we move on to the next question. Let's see here. We do question. You do a bit harder. We do E. Okay, E. So question E is a bit different. They put in bracket x minus 1, x minus 3, minus 1, x minus 3 equals to 5. Okay. This question a bit tricky, because this one is in factorized form, but we want to change to formula. So how we do it? Don't worry, I'll teach you step by step. The first step is we expand by time. We multiply. So first thing we do is x multiply x, then x multiplied negative 3, and then negative 1 multiply x, -1 multiply -3. Okay, follow me. Okay, so x multiplied by x is x squared. X multiplied by -3x minus x, because this one and this also plus 3 equals to 5. Okay, next step we just minus x squared. -3x minus x is -4x plus 3 equals to 5. Okay, you see something a bit different here. Sir, why got 5 here? Isn't supposed to be 0 this 5 here, you know the basic rule, quadratic equation must be equals to 0, all the equation So how do we do it? We move this 5 to the left side, so it will become x squared minus 4x plus 3. Okay, positive change to the left becomes negative. Remember, minus 5 equals to 0. Then you get x squared minus 4x 3 minus 5, which is -2 equals to 0. Got the answer. Okay, I'll check my calculator. The next step after this, we use the formula. We just use the formula. We just substitute using the formula. We do the formula, you know, the usual step, the negative, b plus minus, blah blah blah. I don't resort to much step, it's wasting my time. I'm not wasting my time actually. But you guys can do it by yourself, so that you guys can learn and practice. But here my final answer is 4.449, and x equals to negative 0.4494. Okay, then you get for this type of question is also still 2 marks, so 2 mark, I think 2 mark. One for the formula and one for the this one, final answer. Okay, let's move on. Next question, we do this one, question F. Looks a bit difficult Okay, what is it? 2x minus 3 in bracket squared equals to 6. Okay. So how we do this? Okay, students, why bracket now got square? It means this bracket is times 2. 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3. I don't mind my handwriting, it's always like this. But if I use handwriting like in real life using pencil, more beautiful my handwriting. It's not very stupid. I'm using mouse. Okay. So we do the usual. Okay, 2x times 2x is 4x squared, and 2x times -3 is -6x. Same thing, repeat, -6x, and 2 times -3 times -3, positive 9 equals to 6. Okay, then we simplify. I'll get the answer, and minus 12x plus 3, correct, equals to 0. Okay, the final answer, is x equals to 2.72. Okay, using a calculator, 2.7247, you round off to 4 decimal places, so 2.2725, or x equals to 0.275. My handwriting, sorry. 2. Okay, 2 mark. Everything 2 mark. Okay, but of course you have to show your working for the formula. Must show working using formula. Because or else you will not get the 1 mark. Because it said in the question in the textbook, it said using formula. Using formula. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you for joining me on this lesson. I hope you guys learn something new. Make sure to study the formula and make sure to always ask your teacher something, any question. Don't be ignorant. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.